Ayan. Hello. Hi, RD.
Hi! Happy
Hello.
Sunday.
Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to everybody. Kami na naman po, si RD at saka si Rosel. Welcome po to our Facebook pages where we are broadcasting live. And today, meron po kaming special guests for all of you. So, before we start now, welcome po again to everyone, wherever you are from in the world. Para po kung kami ni RD, siya po nasa Australia, ako po nasa Malaysia, no? So, this is our Road to Success, Digital Entrepreneur Stories. So, ako po muna, no, to introduce myself again. Ako po si Rosel. I am an IT professional and I'm currently based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia with my OFW husband Ren, like me, and our two boys. And I'm very glad to be doing this with RD. And if you're wondering why we are doing this live interview series on our Facebook pages, no, we hope to achieve by these interview sessions the possibilities, not to share the possibilities with you, with our followers, about what's possible if you have your own online business. Kasi we are really enjoying the benefits of running our own online business, and we hope this will work for you too. So, RD, ikaw naman.
My turn. Hello,
Yes.
everyone. I'm coming to you live from Sydney, Australia, as what Rosel mentioned. Welcome back to our Road to Success Digital Entrepreneur Stories, where we feature successful business owners in our online business community. And just a quick intro po about myself, if this is your first time in our business page. By the way, we are broadcasting live from our individual business page kay Rosel, sa akin, at saka sa aming special guest. So, about myself, my name is RD. I'm a working mom of 3 boys. My youngest is in primary and my other 2 older boys are in their 20s. Medyo may young professional na ako. I'm an online business owner, mentoring fellow business owners from around the globe. And more than 3 years na po ako dito sa aming business, and I'm really happy with my online business, how it's going, and I can't imagine doing anything else. So today is a very special day for Rosel and myself, and for you as well, our audience, because we have an amazing mom with 2 young kids and a thriving online business owner. She's here to share her journey and the blessings her business has brought to her and her family. And I can't wait for us to be inspired by her story. Please welcome Rose from Western Australia.
Hello.
Please,
Hello,
do you wanna,
everybody.
do you
Hello,
wanna
everyone.
something
Those who
about
are watching as well. Thank you, Rosel, and thank you, RD, for this privilege to be here with you. My name is Rose Gatenbeek, and I live here in Perth, Australia, with my husband and 2 kids. And I am a teacher by profession and also running this online business for 5 years now.
Wow, nice. Do you wanna say more? Meron ka pang mga sis, no? May mga side business ka rin,
Ay,
no?
meron ako mga side business din. So, last year, I quit my teaching job para focus sa online. At saka, I also ventured into tinting business. Meron din akong tinting business. Window tinting, commercial, residential. Kaibahan talaga siya sa online business. It's like a brick and mortar business.
Yeah.
And I also have water purification business. At saka, may sari-sari store. Parang ganun.
Oo, ang dami.
Marami.
Okay. And we will focus today sa online business mo, sis, no? Sige.
Because this is the wild card. This is really it. So the other businesses are just to support this business as well. But this is main. Ito talaga yung pinaka-main.
Okay. Sige, Miss Rose, let's jump into the first question. No? What was your motivation to pursue an online business? I believe you started this nung teacher ka pa, tama ba?
Yes, I started this when I was managing my own family daycare business. My motivation was really to own my time because back then, even though I had my own daycare, you don't own your time. You're like working at your own place, pero hindi mo hawak yung time mo at saka hindi nag-i-increase yung income mo. You're limited sa ilang bata lang yung naaano mo, nalo-look after. And another thing is I really want to also be able to support my parents back home financially. So for my time here in Australia, when I came, I got pregnant and then I got pregnant. So wala akong work. And I was so relying 100% sa husband ko. So ano mang mangyayari, like, you know it, we are all immigrants, you know it when something happens sa family members sa Pinas, they ring you and of course you need to help. So I was relying and asking my husband a lot most of the time to help financially. So I want to have that freedom na kaya kong na gusto ko na one day naman, yung in-imagine ko 5 years ago, one day gusto kong pag may pangailangan yung parents ko, kapatid ko, or whoever, kaya kong magbigay na from sa bulsa ko talaga. Yun yung motivation ko.
True. Hindi limited yung helping capacity, ano. Diba?
Yes, that's right. Yes, and my husband is Aussie, so we don't really share the same we don't share the same culture. Tapos that's right. Kahit napaka generous niya. But of course, he's not obliged to help his parent or his siblings, 'di ba? Walang ganyan sa kanila. So tayo lang. That's why gusto ko talagang maging independent in terms sa pagbibigay ng tulong sa mga pamilya ko.
Tama, correct. Yung second question namin, sis, ano yung biggest challenge na na-encounter mo during your transition? Siyempre, sanay ka dun sa traditional work mo, being a teacher, tapos nagkaroon ka ng online business. Ano yung biggest challenge na yon? And what advice would you give to those people, aspiring business entrepreneurs, that they are thinking they will have the same, challenge, they will have the same problem?
Ako, magbigay ako ng dalawa but they're in line with each other. Yun talagang pagka-skeptical mo. First is I was very skeptical with myself. Yung mga doubts mo sa sarili mo na kaya ko ba talaga to? And yung paglipat ko dito sa Australia, hindi ako naka-experience ng working outside. So wala, parang comfort zone ko yung bahay. So paglalabas kahit internet, yung fear ba na i-judge ka, tatawagin kang scam, which nangyari talaga. So that was really the struggle, one of the biggest challenge na when I transitioned to online business, kasi hindi naman lahat na audience mo online yung magfa-follow ng page mo, magla-like ng comment mo or post mo or ads mo are genuine people that really want to inquire about the business. So yun yung struggle ko at the beginning. And paano ko yun na-overcome? 'Di ba sa ating system, meron tayong masterminds. Yun talaga yung naka-help sa akin. I just really plug in. I went to our community because our community back then was only, I think, 14,000 of people. Now it's 200,000, right? So I went to the community and I just really inspire myself by looking at how successful people were and are now. So yun lang yung parang yes, kaya ko to, kaya niyang mommy din siya, stay at home mom din siya. So na-inspire ako doon. I didn't let negativity na kainin yung pangarap ko na I have to make this business work for me. Yung pangalawang challenge ko naman is yung husband ko is 101% skeptical.
More than yourself.
Yun talaga yung pinaka-struggle. Kasi kung skeptical tayo sa sarili natin, kaya naman natin yung ipaglaban kung malaki yung natin. Pero yung kung partner mo, yung husband mo, yung skeptical na, ibang storya na yun. So what happened was, pinatunayan ko talaga sa kanya. So pag nagti-training, nasa toilet ako, pag
Mm.
hindi ko pinaparinig sa kanya yung mga ano natin, yung mga mastermind or whatever. Pero pag may buyer ako, pag meron akong result, lalo na pag may income ako, sinishare ko sa kanya. So, sinishare ko sa kanya yung mga ganyan. Kasi sabi niya nung una, masascam ka naman yan. Ano naman yan?
Yeah.
Ano yung pinasok mo? Kasi ako talaga, I'm a risk taker. I do different things na tinatry ko talaga yung ano ko. So, before I joined some group or something na hindi naman talaga nag-work. Kaya parang warning yun sa kanya. And when I found out about this business, this is so different. This is no like other. The system are amazing. Tapos sabi ko, iba talaga to. And then I let him study our structures, the way we make money, paano tayo, so I just let him be, but it took him maybe over a year para matanggap ang business na to. Now he is my business partner. And so merong mga skeptical skeptical husband. So when I prove him na ang business na to is different, it's like no other. Naging business partner ko siya ngayon. So ngayon naman nag-i-income na din yung ano niya, yung business niya. So it's so good. Ngayon sinasabihan na niya ako, bakit ka busy masyado sa ano mo, ibang ginagawa mo? Wala ka ng time sa online business mo. So yun yun na yung line niya.
Very nice. Ang galing. And he's sharing with you na rin yung mga kanyang mga milestones, yung kanyang success.
Yes.
You're in
That's
the
right.
you're in the same perspective, mindset and all. Mas masarap magtrabaho, no?
Oo. Tapos natutulungan niya talaga ako in terms kasi nga siya, teacher din siya at saka mas magaling siya mag-English kaysa sa akin, di ba? Kasi Australian siya. So, yung tumutulong talagang mag-edit sa mga ads ko, sa mga postings ko, kasi hindi masyadong magaling yung grammar natin. So, pag gumagawa ako ng post, chine-check niya kung may mali ba akong na isulat doon. So, ang saya lang.
Oo, nakakatuwa naman. Ako I just want to share. I treat my business then as parang family business na rin siya. Kasi my husband supports me doon lang siya sa background, pero he is with me. Taga-dilig ng halaman sa loob ng office ko. Taga-bigay ng tea, Tapos yung bunso ko naman sumasama rin sa mga photos, minsan sa mga live, ganon. So I treat this as family business. Ganon. Family friendly naman kasi 'di ba ang business natin.
Yes.
So really good for the parents then. I think Rosel has a question.
Yeah. Let's move on to the next question. So, Miss Rose, you mentioned you're about 4 years in the business already, is it? Mga
5 na. So about 6.
Oh. So, given that experience, that length of time in this digital business, what do you wish you had known at the start? Kasi marami tayong followers na sa simula pa lang takot na. Kaya magsi-6 na. And what do you wish you had known at the start?
What I wish I had known, sana if I could turn back time, sana hindi ako na mas natakot na mag-ads or go into our social media marketing to really leverage what we have in our training site. Kasi when I started, I kind of like skip or I kind of pause. So what I wish I had known is that there's really, when they said that there was a massive potential with the training site, with the social media marketing that we have, the skill set that they're offering, sana inano ko talaga, first maybe 2 years, 3 years, sana tinodo ko. So yun yung ano ko. Kasi, but I also believe na naman na it's a process. Yun nga ang sabi ko kanina, yung if you're skeptical about yourself, if you're skeptical about if you doubt yourself, journey din yun siya. So yun lang yung ano ko. I should have made more time in the business. So yun yung ano ko.
Yeah. It's a learning process. You learn from each stage. And
Yes.
you will, pass it on sa mga
Yeah,
business
That's what,
mo, what
that's
you've
what I'm
learned.
I'm I'm teaching my business partners, my mentees. So yeah, I am a coach now. So I coach them, and I told them these are my mistakes. These
Yeah.
were my mistakes. This a lot. So, but you learn from your mistakes and then you get better at it.
Yes. Rosel, may mga tayo, Rosel and Sis Rose, meron tayong mga viewers and those who sent messages here, comments, no? I'm gonna read the first three. This is from Liz from Dubai. Hello, Rosel and RD watching live from Dubai. From Jel, from PNG. So, global po kami. Dami-dami dito mga present business owners from different parts of the globe.
Hello.
From Jel, hello RD and Rosel. Hi, Coach Rose, watching live from Papua New Guinea. And then from Liz again, hello ladies. I'm really thankful for all the inspiration we get from our business community. Totoo naman. Totoo yan. You wanna go, Rosel?
Okay. Sis Jel, congratulations. From skeptical husband to now a supportive business partner.
Yeah, he is.
Nakakatuwa yung, oo nga eh. Ano?
There he is. I'm having interview. We're just talking about you.
Good things about you.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Yes, from Liz, I am also grateful for my husband Ian who supports me in this business journey. Talagang family business.
Yeah.
And the last one from Liz, kudos to RD and Mike for your amazing partnership.
Thank you, Liz.
Okay.
All right, we go to our fourth question. Siyempre si Rose ay isang mom, sabi ko kanina, di ba? So how do you balance motherhood and your online business?
It was really a struggle at the beginning, no, because my youngest that time was only, I think, not even 2 years old when I started. Now she's 7. She really grew up with the business. So and then that time when my husband was very skeptical, and I don't really have much help when I do training, especially when I go to the webinar. I needed somebody to look after the kids, and
Yeah.
how did I balance it? I truly believe in the saying, once you really want to do something like a big change and you're so determined, you can find ways. So what I did before was I put the kids to sleep, and that's the time that I go to the training. That's the time that I do the go live. That's the time that I see what's going on with my page, right? And then I wake up early in the morning to do the same. So excited. Oh, I have somebody is inquiring the business from Vietnam, because we can do our business anywhere. So how I balance it really is our business is so flexible. It is the training site is set for you to really work whatever you do. So as a mother, we are so busy. This is the profession that we don't get a break, right? But every now and then, when the kids are they were little, when they are having a nap, that's the time that I do the business at night. But now that my husband is fully supporting me, we take turns. So when I'm doing this, he looks after the kids. Or when I do the kids, because the kids now my kids are 7 and 9 year old, they actually understand that I'm doing this online business. They grow up with it. So now they understand, oh, mama is doing an online coaching call, or mama is doing an interview. So they just they're very good that they can just lock themselves in their room and play and be done. There are businesses that like my brick and mortar, it was really a struggle because you work for a certain time. Your clients can only cater for you for a certain time. So that was really a struggle. But in online business, because it's online and online is 24/7 and it's global, you can make it work. It just depends on what your schedules are. So yeah, it can be done.
You can make it work around your schedule, not the other way around.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah. Yay, galing. Um, Meron pa tayong mga comments. You can watch this on replay, guys. So, this is
Yeah,
available on
comment
replay.
later. Yeah.
Yeah. If meron pa kaming last question sa'yo.
Yes. A last question is Rosa. So, what do you enjoy about the business? And could you share your biggest achievements in your 5 years?
Um, I'll do the biggest achievement first. My biggest achievement is obvious for me. That is so obvious is actually gaining that the goal that I had when I first started to have that financial income to my parents. So now I'm consistently helping them, and the biggest thing that my business achieved, and I'm so proud of it, is to actually build my parents a 4-bedroom home. And that was completely, like, totally, if not 100%, 99% was from my business, online business income. And you know how when we reach rank in our businesses, we achieve big bonuses. So I still can remember the time when I achieved like almost 16 grand of bonus in this business. I was able to invest that into a water business, purification business in the Philippines. And that is now giving livelihood to two of my siblings. So
Yeah.
these are really big. I could have not done this without, I could not do this together with, even with my husband, with his income or my income as a family daycare educator. And even as in my teaching job, I could not afford those. I could not have those big bonuses. So those are my two big achievements in my 5 years in this business. And also, I am really grateful that I have this business because I enjoy not only the income, and boy, if you get to those passive income, it's really amazing. It's so good that you just receive this passive income. Sometimes you don't even know where these incomes are coming from. So
Yeah.
it's really good. And the other thing that I enjoy most about this business is it has completely changed my mindset. So parang parang ibang version na yung Rose Gatenbeek nung nagsimula na Rose Gatenbeek na so scared, so parang sorry about herself, na parang wala nang kumpiyansa, kaya ko pa kayang mag-work, to becoming a coach, to becoming a mentor, to becoming somebody na kaya ko palang kumita, kaya ko palang magpadala ng ganito kalaking pera sa parents ko, kaya ko palang ipaaral yung pamangkin ko. So yung mga parang achievement na kaya mo rin pala. Kasi sometimes when we got married, parang nawala na yung sarili natin, 'di ba mga babae? parang
Yes.
parang yung kung sino tayo, parang nawawala. So yun yung feel ko. And then when this business happened, parang ibang na-open talaga yung ano ko, yung kasi yung training site natin at saka yung ano natin, makikita natin dun, parang it's really you. You are your own brand. Sino ka ba talaga? So parang napapating ka, ano ba talagang gusto ko sa buhay? Kaya ko pala
Yeah.
to. So, yung mga naging iba yung ano mo, naging iba yung mindset mo, which is for the better. So yun yung pinaka best talaga na nagustuhan ko sa business.
Very inspiring, sis.
Yes.
Self-discovery, di ba? Parang you are more pala and you can give more.
That's right. So ano pala, empowering siya, masyado siyang empowering. So nakaka-overwhelm yung ano yun, yung change na yun. So yun yung pinaka ano ko talaga. Parang hindi mo siya mabibigyan ng price tag.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. And yung sinasabi mo sis kanina, you've shared yung passive income. no company will give that to you ever. 'Di ba? Yung kung
Yes,
traditional employment lang,
that's
you
right.
can't get it from just companies from being an employee. So, life-changing business it is.
So true. I'm so 100% agree to that.
Yes. Thank
I
you.
think
That was a good
our
one.
comments agree.
Yeah.
Let's read them.
Sige. I'll read the first one. Wait,
Okay.
Hasis. Asan na ba tayo? I think meron pa si Liz eh. Wait.
Yeah. Mm.
Um, all right. From Liz, the financial rewards of this business is truly amazing. Sige. You may wanna continue, Rosel.
Okay, from Gel. I agree, Coach Rose. My kids too grew with the business. And same, I prioritize my kids and pag tulog na sila, that's when I do my business. Mahirap pagsabayan pero I always think kids muna
Kids
now,
muna.
lalaki rin ang mga bata. And we can give more time in our business when they're in school na. Tama ba?
Yes. Oo. From Gel
Okay.
again, when we became parents, priorities change. So, love that the business has helped us focus more on these priorities.
And the last one from Liz. Passive income really makes a huge difference.
Yes.
Tamang-tama.
Yes. Yan ang aming goal talaga.
Yes. And it's
Yes.
getting bigger. You know, as you reach your goal, it's getting bigger.
Yeah. It's getting bigger as ang tawag doon, habang tumatagal ka ba sa business, di ba?
Mas sumasarap yung inkaman.
Mas tumataba.
Oo.
Thank you, Sis Rose. Thank you so
Thank you,
much
Sis
for
Rose.
your
Thank you,
time,
everyone.
for
Kaya,
inspiring.
ito na lang. Any last words for
Yeah.
those interested? Ang daming interested eh. Pero
Oh,
mas
ang daming
maraming takot.
Yes. My last word, you know what? It's okay to be skeptical. I was there. I was very skeptical. I was skeptical about myself, about the system. Can I really make it work? Can I really make money? You know, yung mga ano. Tapos skeptical pa yung husband ko, di ba? So, it's really okay to be skeptical. Okay na okay yun. Kasi dapat maging skeptical tayo sa mga nakikita din natin online. Pero wag kang magstay dyan. Do not stay there. Kasi pag skeptical ka lang always, walang mangyayari sa buhay mo. The one that really triggered me or yung parang nag-push talaga sa akin, sabi ko, I've been here in Australia for 5 years at that time when I found out about this business. Sabi ko, yes, skeptical ako. Pero pag paulit-ulit lang, the cycle's still happening, parang ganun, walang mangyayari sa buhay ko. I'm still gonna be like this. I'm still gonna be stagnant. I'm not gonna grow. I'm not gonna grow as a person. You're not gonna grow your pocket as well. So, yes, okay maging skeptical, but take risk. Kasi when you take risk talaga, you will see opportunities there na hindi ka lang mag-grow pa yung mag-grow pa yung income mo.
Grow pa
So,
yung bank mo.
that's right. That's exactly. You're not only gonna change your life, you're gonna change the lives of those around you. So yun talaga yung ano ko. It's okay to be skeptical, but do not stay there. Get out from there and free lang yung webinar. You go to our webinar. You go to these websites here that you see on our screen. This gives you the very comprehensive step-by-step webinar, and then you see it for yourself, right? So lang risk-free talaga din siya kasi you can see everything bago ka man mag-invest kung ano man yung i-invest mo sa business. So yes, yun yung message ko. Go for it and do not be scared. Do not continue to be scared. It's okay to be scared but do not continue. Yun lang.
Yeah. Do your research and find out, diba? Find out what there's always sabi nga ni Sis Rose kanina, kung gusto mo talagang ng change, you have to do something different from what you're doing right now, diba? Yay.
Totoo, that's
Okay.
so true.
Thank you.
Thank you again.
Ang dami yung audience. Wow, ang galing.
Thank you. Meron pa tayong comments.
Meron pa.
Basahin ko
Nico.
na lang, Rosel. Hello, ladies watching
Okay.
from Spain. Hi, Ate
Oh,
Chari.
Spain. Hello.
Yes, right.
Global.
Take risk and grow. Get ready to change your life. Yun. Nandito po kami to inspire you. Nandito po kami to give you information, options ba? You might
Mm-mm.
want to check out our business. We have different mga website. Mine is www.rdseguban.com.
Yes, mine is dreambigwithrosel.com. And Miss Rose?
And mine is www.mamasbees.com.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for those who have watched us. And if you have any questions, pwede pa rin kayong mag-message sa amin, sa aming mga business pages, and we're happy to help. Marami pong salamat. Thank you, Miss Rose.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Rosel and RD, for the opportunity. Thank you, everyone, for listening to my story.
Good night from Sydney. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
God bless.